Hello friends, welcome back to Alfas Tech. And today in this video I am showing that how to remove your photo background in your device. And there is no need to download any applications and you can remove your photo backgrounds in few clicks. And without wasting our time, if you like our video, please share to your friends and subscribe our channel. Now let's move to the video. Hello friends, welcome back to our video. And at first you want to open your web browser and after in the search bar you want to type like this, remove BG. And after that here you can see one of the first website like this. And today in this video I am showing that all the procedure in my PC and you can also do in the same in your Android or iOS devices. And you want to select the first website from here, and after that you will enter the website directly, and after that you can see the web interface, and after that here is a option upload image and you want to select it, and after that they will ask to upload a image. You want to select one of the image or drag the image to here, and after that just click open, and our image background has been removed perfectly. And after that if you are seeing some of the edge in your background places, you want to just select this edit option from here, and here is the option erase and restore, and here you can adjust the brush size, and if you want to zoom your image you want to just click this plus icon from here, and after that adjust your brush size and clear the edges from here like this, and after that just zoom out. And if you are looking for good background for your images, you want to just select background, and here you can see background number 1. And if you want to background or if you want to blur this background from here, you can select one of the blurring option from here, or otherwise keep it in normal. And you can select which you want, and there are more of the background images available by this website, and there is no need to download any application for removing your background. And if you are searching for any good solid colors, you want to just select this option colors from here and select one of the colors which you want, or you can also adjust from here by selecting the one of the color which you want, and just click OK. And after that here you can see option download, and there are two of the options, share image, download image. If you click share, you can send it through your Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp and etc. social medias. And if you click download image, you can download this image directly from this website. And I think you have enjoyed our video, and if you like our video, please share to your friends and subscribe our channel. And thanks for watching our video.